Hello everyone, welcome to All About My Home. For today's video, I will share with you my fried buttered garlic chicken. So crispy outside but tender and juicy inside. So let's get started. For the ingredients, we will need 500 grams chicken breast, soaked in a brine solution for 6 hours and cut into bite size. For brining method, see the description box below. For our butter ingredients, we will need a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 2 eggs, 90 ml of room temperature water, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. We will also need butter, garlic, and oil for frying. Now, let's proceed to the next step. In a bowl, put all together the dry ingredients and mix well. Add 2 eggs and beat. Slowly add the water and mix well until the mixture becomes smooth and dense. Then, squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice into the mixture and mix well. Add all the chicken pieces into the mixture and mix well until it was covered well with the butter mixture. Then, set aside. Now, let's start frying. In a pan, heat the oil for frying. You know the oil is ready if you dip a tip of a bamboo stick into the oil, and if it starts bubbling, then it is ready for frying. Scoop each chicken pieces coated with butter mixture one by one and put into the frying pan. Flip over frequently to make sure it will cook evenly. Fry for 8 to 10 minutes or just until it turns golden brown in a low-medium heat. After frying, place the fried chicken on top of the paper towel to drain all the excess oil. And repeat the procedure until all the chicken pieces were cooked. And while we are frying the last batch of our chicken, we can start frying garlic into 2 tablespoons of oil until golden brown. Then add the butter and let it melt. Once the butter was melted, turn off the fire to avoid further cooking and burning. This will take for about 3 to 4 minutes. And after draining the excess oil of our fried chicken, transfer them into a plastic ware with cover and pour all the buttered garlic into the fried chicken and shake well until all the chicken were coated with buttered garlic. And that's it! Our fried buttered garlic chicken is ready! Serve hot as it is or with your favorite dipping sauce. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't hesitate to give us a thumb and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos.